Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin. Quite an important update. I might even call it an emergency update. It's always a little bit of a clickbait, but I mean, we all do it, right? But yeah, it is an important update because today is going to be an important day for Bitcoin, for its trend, for what's about to happen next in the next 2 weeks and stuff. So we'll talk about that. We'll talk about why it's an important week, of course, and then what to expect. I will also be live streaming in the evening when the event happens, because the big event we're talking about is the interest rate decision and the press conference afterwards, which is equally as important, perhaps even more important. So I'll be live streaming then. That's in about 10 hours. So I think that's in about like 8.5 hours after uploading this video. Still have to film some other videos, still have to render them and stuff. So keep an eye out for that, all right? You'll see it on the channel. But for now, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. I do want to mention briefly that I have a partnership right now with BingX, which is an amazing exchange. I'm very picky with picking the exchanges I work with. I think BingX is great. BingX is great for spot, but also for perpetual futures, which I think most of you trade. So give them a try. There's a link down in the description and a pinned comment to make an account. If you make an account right now, you actually get $50 in a bonus, which you can trade with. So try it out, and maybe it's something for you. Maybe you like it a lot, and you have an amazing platform to trade on for a long period of time. But for now, let's get into Bitcoin. So overall, Bitcoin has been quite bullish right now. I mean, the situation for Bitcoin is still bullish. It's still technically bullish, at least. It's I would say, like, especially with the EMAs right now creeping up here, that's the main bullish confirmation. All right, it broke above the 200 EMA, then respected it. Now we see some EMA crossovers, and we see those EMAs creeping up as support, and that is, I mean, that's undoubtedly bullish. All right, it just is. And then what we do have, if you zoom out, but also, for example, if you go to the daily time frame, is that you see that Bitcoin also broke above the 200 EMA on the daily, but found resistance at the 100 EMA and at this trend line. So it's on the daily, it's a little bit more neutral. On the 4-hour time frame, I would say it's bullish. The thing though is, which I'm struggling with, is that there are no fundamentals in my eyes giving a good explanation for this bullish move up. Now, we don't always have to have those fundamentals. I mean, we also did not necessarily have those fundamentals right here, and still we went up. So I would say, especially on the daily time frame, the last resistance level really is between 27,500 and 27,600. So if that breaks, I would say Bitcoin is bullish. But for now, that's not the most important thing. For now, the most important thing, and also the main reason why I am actually still bearish on Bitcoin, is this: the interest rate decision, which in my eyes is most likely going to be bearish. And that is mainly because most of the economic events from the US we have seen in the last couple of weeks have been pointing towards more inflation. All right, and more inflation means higher or high interest rates for longer, which is bearish for Bitcoin. So that's why, and in the end, even though technically we are bullish, fundamentals are stronger. And that's also, for example, right here, during that move at the end of August, we also saw a lot of bullish momentum and broke above all of those EMAs, which we broke above now, but it didn't hold up, all right? So even though technically we are bullish, like I said, the daily time frame is more important, and that is still neutral. So therefore, I'd say the most likely scenario still is some sort of a breakdown, at least down to 26,300. Tonight in the live stream, we'll also see how far it could drop down, and if we'll see that drop either way. Because if we won't see that drop tonight, then there's a good chance that it just continues the bullish momentum. But we have to await the news and the results of especially the press conference this evening. Like I said, I'll be live streaming during that, but given my expectation right now of the results of the interest rate and the press conference, I would say it's more likely to get a bearish reaction. But I will keep you updated on that. For now, that's my take. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.